This cocktail is called a Down Under. Maybe it was made in Australia. I'm not quite sure. The primary ingredient is vodka and has a splash of creme de cassis, triple sec, and brandy. Let's get started. We've got our martini glass filled with ice and water. Chill in off to the side. Get that nice and cold. Take your shaker glass, fill it with ice. Main ingredient is vodka. We're going to add 3 ounces of vodka. Let's use our handy jigger here. 1 ounce side, so we'll fill it 3 times. Now, if you keep your vodka, or if you like to keep your vodka in the freezer, there's nothing wrong with that. It will definitely keep the ice from melting as much when you shake it. Anything that starts off cold will keep the ice from melting. It won't dilute your drink as much. I'm going to splash of brandy, splash of creme de cassis, and a splash of triple sec, which is just an orange liqueur. Give it a little flavor. All right. That's a good workout. Like so. All right. Sing it with me. I'm from the land down under. All right, don't do that. Look at that. A nice pink hue. Delicious. Enjoy.